Hello everyone, welcome back to Qubrid AI. I'm Sherveri. I work as a developer relations associate at Qubrid AI. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use a P-image model, which is a text-to-image generation model, to generate images on Qubrid AI platform for free. So if you are a developer or a designer or a creator who is exploring to generate visuals or a generative art, this video is for you. So make sure that you watch till the end. So before we jump in, let me quickly explain what Qubrid AI does. So Qubrid AI is a GPU infrastructure platform that lets you run, test, and deploy open source AI models at scale without managing any GPUs by yourself. You get up to like 4 million free inference tokens to get started and access to some powerful open source models such as Quen, Nemotron, and Whisper. You don't need any credit card or any payment methods to try it, or you can just sign up and start experimenting on it. So let's go ahead and log into your account. So if you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up and create a new Qubrid account for yourself. So once you log in, you'll arrive at this dashboard page. Here in dashboard, you can see we have total inference tokens used, total active VMs, in number of total fine tuning jobs which are active, and some Hugging Face deployments which have been deployed. Other than that, you can see serverless API keys which we might have previously created and some recent activities. So this dashboard is some centralized overview of all the AI resources. You can monitor and manage all this from dashboard itself. Let's go to our playground. In playground, we have different use cases. For example, we have text, code, image, audio, vision, OCR. And for each use case, Qubrid recommends some suitable open source model which you can try it out. For today, we are going to use P-image model. We have other models as well. You can try those out as well. For this video, we are going to use P-image model. Let's generate some image over here. Let's type in some prompt. Let's say I want to generate an astronaut. Let's say a cinematic portrait of a futuristic astronaut standing on Mars. Let's add some light as a soft lighting, ultra detailed one in 4K. Okay, let's send in the prompt. Let's see how it goes. So there you go. You see that it is a fully generated image based on like your prompt. And you can see how realistic it looks. It looks cinematic, and as well it looks like it's standing on a Mars and has a soft lighting and ultra detailed one. So you can experiment with different styles like this, like photorealistic, anime, cinematic, illustration, product mock-ups, or like concept art. You can generate any kind of images using this model, and it will give you this beautiful extra detailed version of your prompt. So you can go and try it out and create good images according to your requirements. Other than that, we have model configuration over here. On right hand side, we have model parameters such as aspect ratios, such as you can tweak width, height, seed value. You can increase and decrease the seed value. You can do this for adding some randomness into your output, so that like it won't give you like a same output, it will give you different outputs. Then we have disable safety checker. So you can enable the safety checker flag if you want to, or like disable if you don't want to. Then we give response in format like URL and base64 format. Other than that, like if you want to like generate more images, such as let's generate more images over here. Let's say I want to generate, let's add this prompt, and let's give in this prompt over here. As you can see that this has generated such a beautiful output over here, and the images looks pretty great and does do justice to the prompt. So if you're like happy with the output, you can go and download it. And if you may want to like integrate it into your application, or like if you have a tool like you're building an app like AI design tool, or like marketing creative generator, or you're integrating into any design workflow, so you can use this serverless endpoint over here. we support Python, Curl, JavaScript, Go. So you can just copy this endpoint from here and replace this placeholder of Qubrid API key with the API key. You can click on Get API key and generate an API key for yourself. Let's say text API key. And you can set the expiration date if you want to set any expiration date for your API key or not. Other than that, if you don't want to, you just uncheck this and create an API key. You can go and copy this API key and make sure you save this API key safely, because this API key will be shown to you only once. Other than that, like if you're happy with everything and you want to explore more, you can go and click on View Docs and check out our documentation. In Quick Start, you can check out how you can set up the Qubrid platform and how you can spin up a GPU. Then in Manage API key, you can check out how you can create a API key and how you can implement it. Then other than that, we have model configurations as well, model specific documentation. We have in chat model, we have GPT OSS. In GPT OSS, you can check this more documentation. Then for image models, we have Z Image Turbo and we have Stable Diffusion. You can see how beautiful this Stable Diffusion model has created the images. You can check this model documentation, and if you have any doubts or like if you are stuck anywhere, we are always happy to help you guys. You can join our Discord or like open a support ticket or reach out to me directly on LinkedIn or Discord. I'm always happy to help you guys. So if you're building something like a generative visuals or like using this image model to build a generative art, definitely give Qubrid AI platform a tryout, and don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to this channel, and tell me in comments what are you building next. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.